Ya Allah. Ya Allah, bring peace to this world. Bring peace to this world, Ya Allah. Bring peace to this world, Ya Allah. Fill hearts with mercy. Guide those who are lost, Ya Allah. Guide those who spread harm. Guide those who spread hate. Replace anger with wisdom and hatred with compassion, Ya Allah. For the ones listening right now who feel hopeless, put light back in their hearts. For the ones drowning in problems, open doors that they never imagined, Ya Allah. For the ones crying at night, replace their tears with peace. For the ones struggling financially, open the doors of rizq, Ya Allah. For the ones surrounded by darkness, fill their life with the light, Ya Allah. Ya Allah, fill their life with light, Ya Allah.